Yo, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Gary Benton Investments. And in today's video we're going to be looking at Solana in terms of technicals and where I think price can go in the future, and possibly if price could go any lower in the future as well. So with that said, let's get into the video here. So as we can see on the chart right now, we have this solid demand zone that was created quite a few months ago. Price has come back, kind of just consolidated in here, hasn't really done anything. The hope is that eventually we would see a move back up, but that has not happened yet. So this demand zone is between $37.54 and $21.42. So this is where I'd expect smart money or big money or institutions to start buying in for a run up. If you're not comfortable buying here, we can go down to the daily. And the first thing that I see is this downtrend line of resistance right here, where price is rejected once, twice, and a third time. And this third time was pretty much this run up was based on that the news on the Google running validators on Solana, or planning to. But it was pretty short-lived pump, just ended up being a pump and dump, and we came back down to here. As long as this area holds, this 25 to 28 area, I think this is a good area to accumulate. Keep in mind though that it is possible we could go down as low to $21, which would be the bottom of this demand zone. The safe bet is probably to wait for the price to break this trend line and look for targets at, well, the first target would be $45.50, just because we have this nice little supply zone here. We got resistance, which was actually one support. We've seen we reject multiple times, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a bounce here, price eventually moves back up to here. The next zone to look out for would be right at $62, this supply zone as well. And then the next target would be right at $81, where we saw previous support here, which would eventually, price would eventually come back up and test it as resistance. So those are pretty much the targets I'm looking out for to the upside. Obviously, if price doesn't go as planned, or something happens where Bitcoin starts dropping by quite a bit, we could see Solana start breaking this zone. In that case, your best bet is probably looking at this first demand zone at $14.62. Do have some nice demand support there, and then the next one, worst case scenario, is probably around $4. But those are the two areas I'd look out for if stuff starts getting really bearish. We start seeing major moves to the downside. But as it sits right now, Solana seems to be holding this demand zone, just consolidating. Pretty boring, to be quite honest, but we'll see what happens in the next few weeks. So that's all I got to say today, guys. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.